Okay guys, let's see. 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we made a profit for $1,357 in only 4 minutes. Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to Mavia Trader. Okay, in this video, I will try to do a trading challenge again. This is an account that in the previous video we made like $10,000 using my 7 level strategy. And in this video, I want to try to increase this balance $100 into like $1,000 using my 7 level strategy again. But before we are going to the video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video because I'm sure this video will be useful for you to make a lot of money. Okay, let's continue. We have 3 indicators here. The first one is moving average, the period is 7, the style is red and 2px. The second one is Bollinger Bands, but this is for VIP club member only. And the last one is MACD, the settings is default. And if you want to know about Bollinger Bands more, you can join VIP Club member. The link is in the description box below. Okay, let's continue. We need to prepare for expiration time here. Make sure the time is 1 minute and the seconds is 0. We need to turn on auto time offset for 1 minute like this. And let's go. Let's find a good market to open the trade. Okay guys, I think I found a good market here. We can make sell options when the candle is try to touching the red line like this. And I will try to explain to you why I made these decisions to make a sell option in this market. Because I see the candles is below the red line and I see that in the MACD there is still a downtrend, so I think the price movement will bounce down when try to touching the red line like this. And yep, you can see we made a profit for our first trade here. Let's continue. I will compounding trading for $192 and I will try to find a good market again. Okay guys, I found a perfect trend here in this market, TND USD OTC, but we don't have a good moment here because we need to wait for a green candle. The green candles means that the price movement is going up, try to touching the red line like in the previous situation like this, or maybe touching the red line. It means that after touching the red line, the price movement will continuing a downtrend like this. So we need to wait for the green candle here. So I will save this market. So for now, let's find a good moment in another market. Okay guys, finally I found it. Here I will sell option in this market because you see that we have a good moment. Let me explain why I made this decision. Because I see all of this candle here is below the red line, so this is a downtrend. We can make sell options when the candles is try to touching the red line like this, and after touching the red line the price movement will continuing downwards. Okay, you need to know that make sure if you use this 7 level strategy you have a good entry positions. The entry position is when the price is touching the red line or closest to the red line like this, but it's okay. Even we don't have a good position here, I see that this is a strong downtrend, so the price movement will moving down. So I'm really sure, and you can see we made a profit again for $368. This is perfect. I will make sell option here. Let's analyze this moment. You can see that all of this candle is below the red line, so this is a downtrend, right? If you see a downtrend, just take sell options like this. I hope this trade is profitable because we have a good entry position closest to the red line, so even the candle is green we still can make a profit. And yep, we made a profit again. We almost lost, but because we have a good entry position, our results still profitable. If you see on the MACD here, this is a weak momentum, so there's a change on this market, the price movement changed to moving upwards. This is the example for a bear market. Even there is a good moment here for self-level strategy, but if you see in the previous, this is the consolidation pace or sideways. The MACD is really weak, so yep, we don't know the price movement will moving upwards or moving downwards. So just move on for this market. Let's find another moment in another market. Okay guys, I think this will be our last trade. I will buy option here and we can analyze this moment. You can see this is really perfect. I see that all of these candles is above the red line, so this is an uptrend, and we wait for the candles is touching the red line like this, so we have a good positions, and after that the price movement will moving upwards because the red line is our best friend. When the price movement try to touching or approaching the red line, the price movement will bounce back to continuing the trend. Okay guys, let's see. 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we made a profit for $1,357 in only 4 minutes or 4 trades. You can see here our balance now is more than $1,000, and if you see here the statistic, oh, the statistic not updated yet, let's wait for that. And you see here the history, we made 4 trades and all of the trade is profitable. Okay guys, I think that's all for the trade today. You can see that we made $1,000 in only 4 trades. That's really crazy. This is because the 7-level strategy. If you want to know about this strategy very full version, you can join my Telegram group. The link is on the description box below. I will teach you how to use this strategy with 3 confirmation. So you need 3 confirmation before you make an entry, so you have a good accuracy for your analysis, so your result will be profitable. Okay guys, I think that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like it, and if you have any question you can comment in this video. I will reply every your single comment, and don't forget to join my Telegram group. The link is in the description box below. Thank you.